Goodwill store. This is where old stuff are being sold. The donated stuff are sold to the public. And pala siyang ukay-ukay, pero okay pa rin naman siya. Ayan. Titingin kami ng books. So we found this. This is the VTech. Ito, it's just $6.96. Look at what I found. It is only $1.08. So, kailangan mo lang for hygienic purposes. Palitan mo lang yung straw. Magamit mo siya. So, I was wearing a backpack. This backpack here at the Goodwill store in Buckhead. Officers who was assigned to take care of the store, and he told me that I should not be wearing my backpack, which is obviously it's so small, and yun lang, parang nakaka-offend na sinabihan niya ako ng ganun. Pero actually nang pinaliwanag naman niya sa akin, sabi niya pinagbabawal daw ng store yun kasi maraming ang mga incidents na pagnanakaw na somebody will just be putting something into your backpack unconsciously, and then yun na, marami ng mga ganun. So kasi itong Buckhead area, medyo maraming mayaman dito, pero marami ring mga magnanakaw. So nagiging careful lang sila. So we're going to Walmart this time. Kami sa Walmart para bumili ng ibang stuff. Walmart naman is mas malaki kaysa sa Target, and compared sa selections, mas marami talaga siya. We're here na sa Chili's. Sumakay lang doon, tapos yung batang maliit, nagpasok ng token sa loob ng lagayan ng machine yun. So meron pa siyang libreng picture. So here's what we ordered: the Parmesan breadsticks and a personal pan pizza. This is Hawaiian.